Hi kids, I'm Professor Spatula, and today we're going on a super kitchen adventure. I have to go, but let the learning magic begin. The next word will jump out at you nice and clear. Just say the words with the voice. Bye-bye. Look, what's this? It's a spoon. Can you say spoon with me? Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. We use the spoon to eat our yummy cereal and soup. And what about for picking up noodles? That's a fork. Say fork. F-O-R-K. Forks help us pick up our yummy spaghetti. Be gentle with this one. It's a knife. We use a butter knife to spread butter on toast. Say knife. K-N-I-F-E. We use knives for spreading, and grown-ups use bigger ones for cutting. What holds our food? It's a plate. That's plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plates hold our sandwiches, toast, and used to serve foods. And for cereal or soup, into this. It's a bowl. Say it. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowls keep our yummy food safe, and we can even mix ingredients in them for baking. After eating, we need a drink. This is a cup. Say cup. C-U-P. Cups hold our water, juice, or milk. Before we cook, we have to chop. This is a chopping board. Say chopping board. Grown-ups use this to safely cut fruit and veggies. Time for a smoothie. This is a blender. Say blender. B-L-E-N-D-E-R. It spins super fast to mix fruit and make delicious smoothies. Cheers! Wow, you're doing so well. You just learned all about eating with a spoon, fork, knife, plate, bowl, and cup, and learned about chopping board and blender. Ready for more? Time to cook. This round friend is a pot. Say pot. P-O-T. Grown-ups use pots to boil water or cook yummy soup. And for flipping pancakes, this is a pan. Say pan. P-A-N. We use a pan to cook eggs and delicious pancakes. What helps us flip those pancakes? A spatula. That's me. Spatula. S-P-A-T-U-L-A. Spatulas are great for flipping and mixing. What makes our bread crunchy and warm? It's a toaster. Say toaster. T-O-A-S-T-E-R. It makes yummy toast for breakfast. And what boils water super fast? This is a kettle. Say kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E. It makes hot water for tea or hot chocolate. Oh, what's big and keeps all our food cold? It's the fridge. Say fridge. F-R-I-D-G-E. The fridge keeps our milk cold, our veggies fresh, and our ice cream frozen. Now let's look at the cooker. The top part is the stove. Say stove. S-T-O-V. This is where grown-ups put the pots and pans to cook. It gets very hot. And below the stove is the oven. Say oven. O-V-E-N. The oven is a big box that bakes cakes and roasts chicken. It also gets very hot. Wow, you are a super kitchen detective. You learned so many new words today. Now, go on your own kitchen adventure and see if you can find all these amazing things. And don't forget to tap the subscribe button for more fun learning videos. You're the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.